Music Aptitude Mastery Course, Mock Test 2. Copyright Ashbea Music Limited, 2025. Section 1. Pitch. You will hear two notes played one after the other. Was the second note the same as the first, or was it higher or lower? Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. Question 12. Question 13. Question 14. Question 15. Question 16. Question 17. Question 18. Question 19. Question 20. Section 2. Texture. You will hear a chord of 2, 3, or 4 notes. How many notes were played? Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. Question 12. Question 13. Question 14. Question 15. Question 16. Question 17. Question 18. Question 19. Question 20. Section 3. Melody. You will hear a melody of 5 notes. It will be played twice. Was the melody the same the second time? If it wasn't, which one of the 5 notes was different? Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Section 4. Rhythm. A rhythm will be played twice. The rhythm will be 4 beats long. Was the rhythm the same the second time? If it wasn't, which one of the 4 beats was different? Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. This is the end of the test. The answers will now be shown on the screen. Thank you for taking this music aptitude test. Leave a comment to tell us how you did. And subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more music aptitude tests from Ashbea Music Limited in future.